Hold her off like an animal. She won't move.
Let's go.
Hello.
Let's do your plaster, love. Can I see? Okay.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, my dad. No,
Is this something she does with her dad?
doesn't me.
She push my legs together.
Everyone.
It's hurting though.
No, it's not hurting. No, it's not hurting. You're being loose.
Blow on it. So you dry it on your finger.
I got blow it all.
Careful, you have to catch her. She does weird tumbles.
Water. You can't me.
Come here, let's put antiseptic and plaster on it. Come on, love.
No. Butter. Butter. This one. Butter.
Stay there. That's
Butter.
it. Stay there. No,
Don't
no,
touch,
no, no.
don't
Don't
touch,
touch
don't
it.
touch.
Don't touch it. Leave it. Here. Here. Finger. Good girl. I'll just put it very gently around here. Very good, like that. Very good. That's it up there.
I got a little bit.
Can you bend it? Can you bend it? Bend your finger. Not really. I think it's okay, isn't it?
Getting taped up for gymnastics, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing?